Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to upgrade the SSD on a MacBook Pro from 2013 to 2015. If you're looking to boost your storage or improve the performance of your MacBook, this upgrade will make a big difference. Pentalobe Screwdriver Torx T5 Screwdriver Plastic Spudger or tool for prying open tools you need. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, unscrew the 10 screws on the back cover of the MacBook. Carefully lift the cover off. Once you're inside, you'll see the SSD near the battery. It's a long, thin stick in the corner. Before anything else, make sure to unplug the battery first. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, unscrew the single screw holding the SSD in place. Gently pull the SSD out of its socket and take your new SSD and insert it into the same slot. Put the back cover on and screw everything back in place. Make sure the screws are tightened, but not too tight. Once the SSD is installed, you'll need to reinstall macOS or restore your data from a backup, like Time Machine.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Mike Techie DIY.
And that's it. You've successfully upgraded the SSD on your MacBook Pro 2013 to 2015. It's a simple and effective way to give your device a new release on life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech upgrade tutorials.